What's going on, guys? Ryan and Evan here. We're currently in Maine right now, and we're gonna go ice fishing.
Right there.
And you see out the window here, I'm gonna put the window down for you guys.
Atlantic Ocean.
That's the Atlantic Ocean right there. And we are going to be ice fishing this small pond right next to it. So stay tuned. We went here in the past one time and we caught fish instantly on dead frozen shiners that some guy had just left before us. So yeah, it should be pretty good today. We got a bunch of live shiners that we're gonna use and some night crawlers. So yeah, stick with it, stay tuned, and I'll see you guys when we're on the ice.
What's going on, guys? We haven't filmed the past, what, 4 fish?
We'll put pictures in.
Yeah, we'll put pictures in. We caught a pickerel and 3 bass. Nothing crazy, but, you know, just fun fish. There's a lot of people here, so...
A lot of our people.
Yeah, like, they're all part of our group, so...
We're kind of in our tent, but like we said, you know, people could pop out if they wanted to.
Yeah.
They did, so show them the tent, show them the heater, show them...
Yeah, so we're just jigging. I'm jigging a Swedish pimple here. Right there, Ryan's jigging a worm on a little jig. This is our setup. Here, I'm gonna step out. So we got going here. Step out. We got Riley, Tori. Bunch of flags set. Bunch of flags set. All the way down, all the way out and around. But yeah. So we'll film the next couple. So. Get you guys. Sorry guys, I don't have a head mount, so I'm carrying the GoPro right now. But we just got a flag over here. I'm gonna set the camera down away from it so you guys can watch me. But that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna go right here. Now you guys enjoy this shot. She's spinning. She's spinning good. Got it. Feels good. Actually feels really good. That's why. Riley. Guys, largemouth bass right there. I don't have a head mount or any mount of any sort, but nice largemouth bass. The ocean's right there. This is Maine, but there we go. There's a little largie.
All right, Riley's got one. Let's go. Let's get her in.
Sorry, he took it. Holy shit.
Yeah. Oh, big bass. Yes.
Motherfucker swallowed it.
Let's go. Evan. That was a tip up.
I didn't even notice it was up, dude. It's like swaying in the wind. That's why I didn't realize it. Could be a wind flag. Oh, no, it's not. Right there. Oh. Nice. Very nice. Very nice.
These are all like quality bass.
Yeah, they're like not a lot of them are small. They're all like decent size. Just no big ones, you
Look
know?
for me one more time, baby. Or not.
Down the gullet. Oh, yeah. See this fish here in the sunlight.
Sunlight.
There you go. Hold her up 2 hands. The other way.
With the show in the sunset. I'm gonna hold it in the sunset, but
There you go. Pretty. We can actually screenshot that. There you go. There we go. I can call that a jigging fish technically, right? I just saw a rod down. I saw it bouncing. I'm like, oh my god.
what the?
Barely hooked. Tiniest fish of the day. You know what? Respectable though. Respectable.
Fish is a fish.
Yep. It's spinning. I'm gonna do this one-handed here. One-handed. Try to get this guy up one-handed here. Oh, it's a nice one.
Lovely bass.
It's a good one.
One of our bigger ones for the day.
Yeah, it's a good one. I got a picture of them. Really?
Yeah.
Bye-bye. Currently running to get the farthest freaking flag. And it's very hard to run in these snow pits with the wind going against you. I'm gonna set you guys down. It's shaking though. Here we go. Nice fish. Let's go. Yeah, not bad.
Lucky pink flag. I'm recording right here.
Me too.
There you go. Nice one.
Sun. Nice fish.
There we go. Nice bass there where she... Oh, corner of the mouth. Hell yeah. Want to toss her back?
Oh yeah.
Tiny hole. It's a 4-inch hole. I don't know whose it was, but I took it. There we go. Down the hole.
Nice.
Smallest of the day. Jigging. Big man.
Biggest fish.
Sweet. Got one jigging though. Sweet. Any more flags? Nope. Alright, I just looked over and saw this flag up. I'm gonna go check it out. I'm gonna set the camera down again. Same flag I set the camera down on last time too. Do that. Right there. Oh my god, it's spinning 1,000,000 miles an hour. Largemouth bass. Who caught it? Me. She needs pliers. We're gonna let her go, but she needs pliers, but hold on. Cut that out. There you go, nice largemouth there. Choked it. But there you go. Sweet. We'll throw her back and catch you guys. Oh. Bye bye. Here, set the camera down. Got my shiner right here. My hook is right here. We're using size 8 bait holder hooks because these are small shiners. Drop them down the hole. We are at a pond in Maine, southern Maine, right on the ocean. Get the grass off here. And now, the key is, when you're setting the tip up, right? We're in like 3 feet of water, maybe 4, because this pond is very shallow. We're gonna reel in all this line. Alright. Now I see, it's kind of like, you gotta eye it. You gotta kind of eye it a little bit. Like that. Like maybe like 2.5 feet down from the edge of the tip up here. Gonna get all this grass off of here. A lot of grass in here. Get my little minnow dude, put him down. And it's windy out here today. So we're gonna set that, and like that, so the flag doesn't get pushed off by the wind. And there you go, and that's how you set a flag. Alright. Better run, I better run, I better run. I'm trying to hold the camera steady. Most productive flag today, spinning.
Yeah. Yeah, he's on there. Oh, that's nice. That's nice.
Decent. Same size. The largemouth bass.
It's a big mouth bass.
Big mouth bass. Here, let me see. Need pliers?
I don't know. I'm waiting for you to stop flopping.
Yeah. Yeah, I need pliers. He's got teeth. That's some serious teeth for a largemouth, you know? Look at that. There you go.
In the sun. Oh, he's bleeding a bit.
Here in the sun.
Nice. Alright guys, we got lazy and we're walking now. Oh, it's really wobbling. Wobble, baby. That's 2 in a row, Evan. Now it's my turn.
We'll drill another hole for the other flag over there, and
Guys, this is flag time.
it's flag time. The flags are flying. Flags are flying.
She's shaking. Oh yeah.
She dare. She dare.
Oh, yeah. She's there.
She's there. Or the weeds are there.
No.
There you go. Another average size bass
These are some nice ones. Like, yeah, bass being this size.
for being right next to the ocean.
Sick. Hey.
Flies on them.
Oh.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah.
Yeah, let's see it. I think our tent's going. There we go. Nice fish. In the hole. Most productive flag of the day. There you go. She was spinning. There you go. Flyers, Brian? Before you walk all the way over here. Flyers. We probably would need them.
Alright, fine.
Yeah?
Oh, fuck.
Yeah.
No, he shouldn't need
Oh, wait,
fingers.
fuck. Oh, my fingers.
No,
Oh,
it's
I
right
thought-
there. Yeah, I saw the
Uh-oh.
hook. It's literally right there.
I thought it was gone. I was like, oh, fuck, that she swallowed the whole thing. So I get it out.
You know what that hook is for?
It's trout.
The Swedish pimple. The
Singular hook?
singular, yeah. It's the only small one I have left.
No, it's not that.
Watch out, your boot is tangled.
Sweet.
Can you get the name? What's up, buddy?
Right here. Most productive flag. It's weird. None of the other ones around it have gone off. Alright guys.
Or your part.
We got a flag right here. We just saw it right outside the tent.
I don't know. We don't know how long it's been.
Yeah, it's probably been a couple minutes.
Oh, it's a fish still on there. Oh yeah.
There you go.
It's small. That's
Small or
It's just
weeds?
weeds. It's just weeds.
Weeds are super small.
Oh no, it's a fish. It's a fish.
In weeds.
In weeds. Yeah. I feel like they
Yeah, it must have been sitting there for a little while. Yeah, it must have been sitting there for a little while.
Dang.
See?
Oh.
It's just weeds.
Oh no, there's fish on there. It's still going.
Oh yeah, there's fish. There we go. Little largemouth bass.
LMB, baby. Hook right in the corner of the mouth.
Corner of the
Pops
mouth.
right out.
There we go.
Get them weeds off her. All right.
Yeah, let's see it. With the sunset in the background.
Sunset in the background, baby.
In the background. Beautiful. Toss her back. Yeah, they've got like little like snails or something on them. It's all in the weeds too.
Ew, it's crawling on me.
Oh, it's a little bug. There we go. Back down. Just about to take that tip of it. That was the first one.
So what Evan's doing right now, or what we just started doing, was just taking in all the unproductive tip-ups, and so we literally, you just saw my fish that was in the weeds. That was literally 2 minutes ago.
Not moving.
Not moving. Could have a fish.
Nope. Gone. Gone.
Dang.
Stole me. Alright, what is going on, guys? So, pretty good day. Fishing didn't pick up till about 3 o'clock, and it was just boom, 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 flag after flag. But I've got about like 4 flags set right now, maybe not even 3. I'm about to pick up this one, so 3. Yeah, so I just wanted to show you. We're using a standard tip up. We have the minnow like 3 feet beneath the ice because it's pretty shallow here. We're using small little shiners we got from Saco Bay Tackle. Right now, I'm free. I'm not gonna give away the name of this, but if you know it, you know it. We're right next to the ocean, which is right there. You can hear it in the background. Staying about 10 inches of ice. And you know, we had a bunch of people here in the beginning of the day. Didn't really record, but we caught like 4 or 5 fish off camera. But you know, good day overall. Mostly bass, 1 pickerel off the start, and we'll include pictures of those. But for now, we'll catch you to the next episode.